Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to buy Marriott Bonvoy points. So it has been a question also lurking around if you can actually purchase the points to redeem for stays. And yes you can. So you only have to note that members may purchase or receive points by other or another member as a gift combined with 100,000 points per calendar year. If purchased through the buy points storefront or the gift points storefront, and you will be directed to a login screen on the landing page of course. So you can search up buy points storefront in your Google or gift points storefront, and you will be able to purchase your Marriott Bonvoy points as long as you're a member. So of course, to learn more, you can go to Marriott Bonvoy members. After signing in, you can go to the top right corner and click the buy points basically. So this is how it look like. So let's just wait for it to load right there. So you can go here to the Marriott Bonvoy where you can purchase your own actual points. So here, all you have to do is go to your own dashboard and go to buy points right here. And it's just that simple. So there you go guys. That is how you buy Marriott Bonvoy points.